So if you're looking for a kind of fun way to make some extra money on the side, proper side hustle stuff this is, where you don't actually have to do any work at all, then you probably need the 100k Alliance. Now the 100k Alliance is a proper side hustle in as much as it's basically in module 1 there's a system that my good friend Fergal came up with that enables you to literally have almost every offer covered that's being launched in the Make Money Online space on a daily basis, so that you get a chance to get commissions from those, and at the same time be constantly promoting a high ticket offer that has a $497 front end and then $297 and $197 upsells that you can get 50% commissions on. Now you can bump that to 65% commissions in one of the upgrades if you want to. So this whole system, this module 1 system of the 100k Alliance, is enabling you to tap into all of those launches for the low ticket launches, which also have high tickets in their funnels, but at the same time constantly be pushing this high ticket offer as well that you get guaranteed approval for. Now, as a special bonus, if you pick this up through me, I'm going to give you a training program that will also teach you everything you need to know about what I do. Now, this program is called Breakthrough, and I sell this currently at $697. So if we take a look at the checkout cart here, you can see Breakthrough VIP by Trevor C, that's me, and it's currently selling for $697, and I'm going to give you free access to that as a bonus when you pick up the 100k Alliance through me. Now, one of the things I wanted to draw your attention to, apart from anything else, so the core training, there's a new video in there which is fast and easy product creation. That's going to show you how you can create your own products to sell very, very easily, even if you've never done anything like this before. But in the core training, we've got week 1, the perfectly prepared peddler, week 2, the small gain game. What happens here in week 2 is I show you how to make money straight away. All right, so there's no waiting around. You get to make money straight away. Transition time, platform power, stepping up, attack, 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 and the time has come. Basically, this is taking you through the whole process of my entire business. And then we've got extra modules here, making headway, intrinsically simple, all my pimping stuff. But here is what I wanted to bring your attention to, because the webinar replays, if you join the 100k Alliance through me, you get free access to this $697 program. But the webinar replays, if you wanted to just immerse yourself in this entire business, look how much we've got here. I mean, all of these are about an hour each, right? So we've got Selling Breakthrough, we've got the Facebook Method and Business Recap, we've got From the Beginning, we've got Transition from Consumer to Creator, Anatomy of a Successful Affiliate Promo. I actually go through one of my affiliate promos live for you. Email marketing with GetResponse, sales pages and copywriting, email marketing with Aweber, setting up a product and offer on Warrior Plus, cash commissions from YouTube reviews, the webinar style review, all about bonuses, let's make some money, Gads and Bads, that's Google ads and Bing ads, make money this week, fly on the wall promo mailing, if this is all new to you, review rules, traffic and list building, YouTube channel and monetization, getting stuff done, reviewing your reviews, and reviewing your reviews number 2, and reviewing your reviews and back in the day. There's so much in here. I mean, it's absolutely jam-packed with webinars that are also jam-packed with golden nuggets. So even if you never used the 100k Alliance, you just came in and thought, I'm just going to watch these webinars and I'm going to watch them like a TV series, you know, maybe one a night, for example, like a box set, all right, on Netflix, you'd have all the knowledge that you need to make a success of this business. All right, anyway, let's take you inside the 100k Alliance as well, so you can see what you're going to get there. So once you come into the 100k Alliance, you're going to go through the brief overview, sales funnel mastery, but module 1 is what we talk about a lot, and as you can see, there's a ton of stuff in there. Right, so module 1 is going to get you to that position where you've got somebody else doing the work for you, and you've got the ability to earn commissions on a daily basis, and you're constantly pushing that high ticket so you can get the high ticket sales. All right. So, and we've got so many success stories from our students. This thing works. It's very clever. It's very simple. You do the setup once and then you don't do anything for that again. You just leave it. All right. So Max and Fergal are consistently on leaderboards because of their 100k Alliance module 1 setups that they did maybe a couple of years ago now. They're still hitting the leaderboards regularly and getting consistent commissions coming in and making high ticket sales. So it just shows you. I mean, it's the most insane program. It really is. But it works. So anyway, I thought I'd just bring to your attention this special offer. And if you want to watch the latest webinar replay, I'll put a link to that below this video so you can get a full idea of what the 100K Alliance is all about. And then just go ahead, pick this up through me, and you will get that Breakthrough VIP as a bonus. So as long as you use the links below this video, you will be buying through me. You will get the 100K Alliance and other bonuses as well. So this is insane value. So go ahead, lock that in now, and let's start making some money. If you've got any questions, please feel free to ask. In the meantime, I wish you and yours all the very best. You take care.